Sledge Hammer.
Ready? Here.
I got the fire stop, Dad! For you. Good.
Someone else?
No. Okay. Keep moving.
You almost got it. Good. Keep doing it. Dad, are you just a fire center right now?
The sock is falling out. Here, I don't want this burn mark here.
Good job, sweetie.
Do you like that rock?
We like all the rocks.
It is too. The rock will burn head. Will fall. And we'll get burned.
Burn Scott.
Why are we burning up like
Put this out?
It didn't.
Sure. We got water?
Yeah.
Oh, I watered.
Water.
That was awesome.
They have water right here.
Or you could just let it burn.
Okay, look out. I'm gonna try and get this angle. See what that looks like. Cleanse the space. Looks cool. I'm gonna pull this blue out.
Cool too.
Dad!
What?
I'm trying to fasten your fire stop.
Okay, thanks.
Fire spinning.
On the other side.
Hey, you can definitely check that. Actually,
I got it for you.
here's some water too.
Guys, just don't burn out the fire.
Got somebody.
We want to